Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would show you a product that I use all the time in my salon on my clients, and it is IBX from a brand called Famous Names. It's a really awesome product and I love it a lot, so I thought why not make a video on it. So what is IBX? So IBX has two products, IBX Repair and IBX Strengthen. Repair is designed to reduce and eliminate any visibly damaged areas on the nails, including splits, peels, and free edge delamination. It's designed to work like a double-sided sticky tape to seal the damaged areas back together. IBX Strengthen is a really unique product that cures within the upper layers of the nail plate to add strength internally. So whereas with a traditional strengthening product, you'll paint it over the top, cure it on, and it acts like a hard shell on the outer area of the nail plate. Whereas with this product, you actually cure it into the nail plate, so you're actually adding that strength underneath the outer layers of the nail plate. So first I'm going in and prepping my nails, and today I'm going to be using the Katie Barnes tools to do that. So this is her Cuticle Pusher, and I've got to say it's one of my favourite cuticle pushers I've ever used. It's just sharp enough that you're not actually going to do too much damage to the nail plate, but still sharp enough that you're able to scrape away all that dead skin, all that dead tissue sitting on the nail plate and get an amazing prep.
Oh my god, shut the fuck up, I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know.
So now, just to tidy everything up, I'm going to use some cuticle scissors. Now this is the first time I've ever used cuticle scissors, and I'm not gonna lie, I am 100% converted. These are amazing. They are so small. I'm showing you now just the size compared to a regular cuticle nipper. So small, so sharp, and they just do an amazing job at removing any of that dead tissue that's still left on there without taking too much off.
Boss with it, be a boss with it, cost with it. What this motherfucker costing me constantly? Run your little mouth off, knock your smile off. What you bout now? You gon' bow down right about now. Not the type to hit the backspace. I ain't got no time to fuck around like them bitches.
Now I'm just going in with my 180 grit file and just shaping up the nails, making sure they're all even, and I'm trying to go from the outer corner to the inner corner and avoiding too much of a seesaw action. Once all of that is done, I'm just going ahead and cleansing my nails really well. So I'm just using a lint-free pad and then getting into the fun stuff. So I'm just taking IBX Repair and I'm just going to be applying that over any areas of damage, so any white spots that might be caused from removal, any delamination, any peeling, any splitting, and then I'm just putting that under a heat lamp for 1 minute. Once it's finished heating, I'm just taking a clean lint-free wipe. This is completely clean, there's no cleanser or anything on it, and I'm just dabbing over the product to make sure that there's no excess product sitting over the top of the nail. We don't want to cure anything on top of the nail, we want to cure the product inside. So I'm just dabbing to remove any excess that's still sitting on the top, and then sticking it in a UV lamp for 1 minute. Once we're out of the lamp, we are going to again cleanse the nail really well. You can use any cleanser of choice, and then we're going to use the Strengthen. So the Strengthen's the one that you're going to be using the majority of the time. So I'm just taking this on the brush and removing a lot of the excess. You don't need a lot of product, and I'm just going to be applying this over every single nail and capping the free edge really well as well.
Sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand. Just because you're sorry.
Once you've put the product over all the nails, then you can put it under the heat lamp, and this time we're going to cure it for 4 minutes. So yeah, it's going to be under the heat for a long time. Once it's been under the lamp and the 4 minutes are up, it's again the same routine of taking that clean lint-free wipe with no product on it, dabbing off any excess product that's still sitting on the surface of the nail, and then sticking that into the lamp for another minute. Once we're all cured, we're going to cleanse the nail really well again, so use whatever cleanser that you use for your gel polishes, and you can then just repeat the whole process, but this time we're only going to have it under the heat lamp for 2 minutes. So instead of 4 minutes, this time it's 2 minutes, but otherwise it's the exact same routine.
I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that.
I absolutely adore this product. I try to encourage all of my clients to wear this under their gel polish, which is really nice about it is that you can wear this under gel polish, under enhancements. You can use it on its own as a strengthening treatment. It's just such a versatile product, and it really does just help encourage the health of the natural nail.
I just saw that you're out with somebody new. I should have known that something will be coming soon. I'm sorry if you thought that you could make me mad. Maybe you're the one who can't move past this. I know the truth can kinda hurt.
Now I'm just going to go in and apply some cuticle oil because this is where I'm finishing my manicure for the day. But if you wanted to apply any gel polish, any hard gel, acrylic, do some enhancements, you absolutely can. This product is designed so that you can do all of that on top of it, and then you can even just infill the back with IBX as you go along. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe if you did, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
Stressed out, but I've been doing just fine, so